The biggest problem with onion paratha is the stuffing become watery. Today I will show you how to fix it. For the binding, I am using wash poha. Wash it 4 times and keep it aside for a few minutes. I already share the perfect dough technique in my aloo paratha video. So today let's make a quick and delicious onion paratha. Now let's prepare the stuffing. In a bowl, add soaked poha, coriander leaves, ginger garlic paste, Kashmiri red chili powder for color, spicy chili powder, coriander powder, cumin powder. For extra street style flavor, I am adding pav bhaji masala. You can also use chaat masala if that's what you have. Finally chop onions. Don't add salt yet. Add it just before stuffing the paratha. Salt release water, making the stuffing soggy. Meanwhile, give the dough one final knead. Add a little oil and knead again until soft and smooth. Now keep your rolling board, rolling pin and hot tawa ready. Now add a salt and mix well. Roll the dough into a normal chapati. Using a pizza cutter, make one slit from the edge to the center. Place the onion stuffing in one section. Then fold one side over and seal it. Fold the next side and finally fold the last side to make a neat triangle, like a samosa. Seal all the edges well so the stuffing doesn't come out. Dust with flour and gently roll it into a triangle. Place it on the hot tawa. Once bubble appear, flip it and cook until light golden. Apply oil or ghee and roast both sides until crispy and beautifully browned. For a little extra crunch and beautiful look, I made one paratha with white sesame seeds, another with black sesame seeds before rolling. It's completely optional, but it tastes amazing. Serve hot with your favorite chutney, curd or pickle and enjoy every crispy flavor packed bite.